If your iPhone 17 isn't recognizing your face or Face ID keeps failing, you're gonna want to reset Face ID too. Make up a fresh scan. This helps when the sensor gets confused after glasses changes, beard changes, lighting issues, or just random iOS glitches. So let's break down how to reset it right here. First, what you're going to want to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone 17. Scroll down a bit and tap Face ID and Passcode. You're gonna have to have your passcode ready. Enter it to continue. Now over here you'll see all the Face ID options. Tap Reset Face ID. This removes your old face data completely. After that, tap Set Up Face ID and follow the on-screen circle animation to scan your face again. Oh, great. Make sure you keep your phone bright and smart at eye level. Move your head slowly and complete the second scan too. Once you finish, your new Face ID is already saved. You can go ahead and test it by locking your phone and unlocking it again. Wow, if everything worked, your iPhone should unlock instantly. Anyways, resetting Face ID is cheap, quick, and fixes most recognition problems. If you have any other questions, ask in the comments. I'm right here to help.